Kija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. My mail ID, my mobile number is 61435205206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. If you have any doubt, either you can give me WhatsApp call on my mobile number or you send me WhatsApp message. Or you can write to me on my mail ID kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Today we are going to discuss question on foreign branch. On 31st December 2019, the following balances appeared in Delhi branch, having its head office in Australia. On 31st December, the closing stock in Delhi branch was rupees 6,37,500. Branch account in head office book showed a debit balance of $13,400 and furniture appeared in the head office books $1,750 on 31st December 2019. Rate of exchange opening, that is on January 1st 2019, 30. Closing, that is on 31st December 2019, 50. And average 40. Prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now you are given the trial balance. It is Delhi branch will send its trial balance in rupee. The opening stock rupees 1,20,000. Purchases and sales. Purchases rupees 12 lakh and sales rupees 18 lakh. Debtors and creditors. Opening rupees opening rupees 5 lakh and closing rupees 7 lakh. Bills receivable 1,60,000. Wages and salaries debit 1,60,000. Rent and taxes debit 80,000. Furniture debit 7 lakh. Bank account 90,000. Australia head office account 3,90,000. Then we are going to convert the first step in foreign branch is you convert your given trial balance in head office books. That is branch currency into head office books in the currency of head office. Now here we are given debit and credit. That is rupees 2 lakh, that is the opening stock is given 2,34,000. Always remember opening stock is converted at opening rate. Opening rate was 30. It comes to 7,800. Then purchases and sales. Purchases were 15,62,500 and sales was 23,43,500. Purchases and sales are always converted at average rate. Average rate was opening 30, closing 50 and divided by 2, 30 plus 50, 80 divided by 2, 40. The average rate was 40. So they come in Australian dollar. Purchases comes to 39,063 and sales come to 58,594. Then comes Debtors and creditors. Debtors are rupees 7,65,000 and creditors are 5,10,000. They are always converted at closing rate, that is 50. So at 50 rupees, 7,65,000 divided by 50 comes to 15,300 Australian dollars. And 5,10,000 divided by 50 comes to 10,200 Australian dollars. Then bill receivable and bills payable. That is, it was 2,04,000 and it is 1,78,500. Bills receivables, if you divide by closing rate 50, it comes to 4,080 and bills payable comes to 3,570. The next is wages and salaries. Always remember, if it is starting with wages, you take to trading account. If it is starting with salaries, you take to profit and loss account. The wages and salaries are 1 lakh. Expenses are always converted at average rate, that is 40. The 1 lakh divided by 40, how much it comes? 2,500 Australian dollars. Then next is rent and taxes. It is rupees 1,06,250. Average rate is 40. The amounts come to 2,656 Australian dollar. Then you are given furniture. In rupees it is given rupees 91,000. It need not to be converted. Fixed assets are always shown at the value they were bought. The value at that furniture was bought is given 1,0750 dollars. Then comes bank account. It is 5,68,000. The bank account we will convert at closing rate. It comes to 11,373. Then head office account. Although in value it is given 5,99,150, but we have to take the given value, which is given 13,400. So both side total is coming 85,764. When we credit side total, we take to the debit side total. The conversion loss comes to $1,242. That is, if this side is more, we are going to prepare in the books of head office trading profit and loss account for the year ending 31st December 2019. After converting trial balance into head office currency, that is opening stock at opening rate, closing stock at closing rate, and current liabilities at average rate. Current assets and current liabilities. Then all expenses at current assets and current liabilities at closing rate, and all expenses at average rate. Bank account at closing rate. Now we are starting with trading account. The first one is to opening stock, $7,800. Two purchases, $39,063. Two wages and salaries, 2,500. Since it is starting with wages, so we have to take to trading account. Buy sales, $58,594. Closing stock, 12,750. The credit side total is coming 71,344. When we take to the debit side 71,344, gross profit come to GPCD 21,981. Now this GP we have to transfer to profit and loss account on the credit side by GPBD 21,981. Then to rent and taxes 2,656. To loss in exchange conversion 1,242 because we have already converted the Indian currency in Australian dollar and the loss was coming in conversion 1,242. Credit side total is 21,981. When we take to the debit side 21,981, the net profit transfer to head office account, that is 18,083. Now we are preparing the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2019. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Head office account 13,400 and net profit 18,083. The total is coming 31,483. Trade creditors 10,200. Bills payable 3,570. On the asset side, furniture 1750. Closing stock 12,750. Debtor 15,300. Bill receivable 4,080. Bank account 11,373. The total of balance sheet is coming 45,253. Both sides it shows that the conversion, trading profit and loss account and balance sheet are correct. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. It is very important question on foreign branch. Kindly you see yourself and tell your other friends also to watch this video. It is very helpful video for BCom, Pass and Honors, MCom, CA Entrance and ICWA students.